Hello, and welcome to this short video presentation on some of the new key features in Trimble Access version 2022.10. My name is Jonathan Calvé, and I'm a member of the professional services team here at Cancel. If you're all ready, let's dive right in. The first new key feature I want to talk about today is the ability to work with blocks and symbols in Trimble Access on the map. Now, usually this is what you will see. So rapid points and topo points represented by specific symbols based on the way these points were captured in the job. So X for a topo point, double circle for the observed control point, and so on. Now, if we go to the map settings, we have the ability to change that to simple dots for every point in the project. You obviously always have the opportunity to check the name, add the code or the elevation. You can also change the point symbol to feature symbols. And for this to work, you will need to have an FXL, a feature code library, attached to your current job. So here's an example. So as you can see now, my line work and the symbols are now in color. If you find it hard to see, you can always turn on the monochrome map. And as you can see, you now get specific symbols based on the feature codes that was used in the field. And this is all possible with Trimble Access 2022.10 because we are using, in this example, the CanFlow feature code library, which contains these specific codes with specific parameters, including a specific symbol or block. Next, I would like to discuss some of the recent enhancements to the export function in TBC. First, the CSV. We now have the ability to change the field delimiter to something else. Also available is a new land XML export format. The Trimble team also improved the DXF export with a few different options. And we will take a look at an example in Trimble Business Center right away. Okay, so now in Trimble Business Center, we can import the DXF we just exported out of the data collector. And as you can see, we now have the point, the code, the elevation, and attributes tied to each and every point as block reference. Now, if you don't like the presentation, you can obviously modify the scale of those objects. To make it easier to read. There we go. That's one of the new key feature with Trimble Access 2022.10. Now let's move on to the next one. The final new key feature I want to talk about is the ability to customize the file name of your pictures captured with your data collector. If you go to the job properties under media file, at the bottom, you'll see two sections. The first one will let you define the name of images captured and linked to specific points. And the second section will be for images captured and linked to the job, for example. So you have two different ways to set this up. And you can choose between different elements, the point name, the point code, the date, time, the job name, as well as a custom string of characters that you can define. Let's look at it in action. So in the field, you would hit the camera button to capture a picture, and then this window will appear. You select which element you want to tie this new picture to, for here 0.103. And now let's have a look at the files themselves and see what the file name look like. There you go. So point name, code, followed by the date and the time for the picture we just captured. So there you go. That was 3 new key features with Trimble Access version 2022.10. I hope you enjoyed it. Let us know which of these new key features you like the best. Thank you.